Yes, people, what is going on? Today we're at Shibuya. We're going to be car spotting, so hopefully there should be some nice cars out today. Apparently some low riders coming through, but we'll check it out. So let's get straight into it. Today I'm using the 50mm 1.8 Sony lens, so we see what kind of pics we can get. Can you see what I can see? That is a sick AMG with a body kit as well. That's mad. 1000 SEL. MEG thing. That looks so mint. Try and get across the road and get another snap. Oh, the car came through that one. Yeah, this corner normally has a turnout, so we'll see. Front bit as well, it looks mad. That side profile looks dope. See that guy over there? Sit at the front end. Oh, I love the rear of this thing. Sick. Little party bus. Let's go. That looks sick, man. He loves it. It's nice. There you go, there's the owner. Put out the peace sign, and let's see what else is there. The no music, no life. Try and get a snap over here. About to get run over. Snap of that. Oh, it's the other one. Both of them. So McLaren over there. And there's a money shot right there. You see that? Bang. He's loving that rev limiter. But that skyline was nice. You know what, I want to try and get some shots of that Lexus. Let's try and get there in time. It's jokes, man. This guy's flogged it, bro. Yeah, well, that was unexpected. Whoa, can fill the whole place up. What is it? Hey, this guy's polluted everyone. Fucking hell. Didn't expect that. Porsche box though. Let everyone gassing out. Yeah, a little Beetle. It's quick. Autofocus is sharp. Oi. Looks like the cars are coming out now. There's bare people here. Audi R8. Get some nice cars out. I hear something. Oh, that looks nice. Oh, here they are. That looks sick. That is beautiful. Banging GTR right in my face. He's gonna be stuck there for a while. Let's go driver. The drivers are real friendly today. Might as well just get on the road, because why not? Love that. Absolutely love it, mate. One last rolling shot. Right, perfect. Alright, let's go up this way. Let's see what we can find. Yeah, you got that slammed Nissan over there. This guy is loving it. Look at that. That looks mad. Yo, that is a mad setup. Back a bit. Police car up there. Police. hope they're not closing the road off. Oh, look what I see. Look at that, that looks sick. What angle can we get on this? Beautiful, mate. And there's something I see over there. Oh, this is cross because I can't bother waiting. You see that 11 in front of me? Yeah, that looks sick. That Honda looks mad. The Honda boys. Looks sick. Try to get it with 11. Ah, too late, too late. Kakui. Sugoi 86. Sick. It's got like a really wide stance and it just looks sick. So I'm gonna try and go. Oh, this guy's reversing. He got squished. Oh, this is the guy I met earlier. Yeah, go for it. Go ahead.
Thanks.
Did you get kicked out?
I'm lucky enough they didn't give me the fine.
They didn't give you a ticket? Oh, okay.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, no worries.
So how's the scene? I don't see.
Yeah, it's good. That AMG pulled off and then the police just turned up.
Right.
I don't know if they're closing the road or anything.
So
But,
you think there's something going on later?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah?
I don't know. I saw
Just
like
too early now.
maybe.
I don't know if I
I know
should stay around.
there's like too many police cars showing up.
Right.
I think they know what's up.
Yeah, what's going on?
I don't know.
Thank you, thank you. You know,
That might be that
yeah,
street over
something
there.
like. And I drive around already, but nothing happened.
Beautiful.
So the scene, I don't know where.
Oh wait. Yeah. Oh, I know exactly where that is.
You know?
Yeah, it's just literally around the corner.
Right, but
Yeah.
I drive around. There's nothing.
Yeah, I just walked over there. There's nothing.
Oh yeah, nothing. Yeah. So you should
Oh,
be
nice.
later on.
I don't know, maybe. Yeah, it looks like the police are just kicking everyone away. Usually both sides of the streets get filled up. That looks like a nice 3 Series, it's just stanced it. They just block off the whole road, huh?
And the driver just do the same thing.
Basically. So there's one. He's probably
Oh yeah, there's something going on.
getting kicked away. I think they clocked onto it.
Right. We couldn't get over, you know. Now the brake says that everything's crazy.
Yeah, you've got to do visa, no?
We can go, but
Yeah.
it's just a lot of the things is not that smooth as before.
All right, guys, thank you very much for tuning in. And until next time, subscribe, throw me a comment, and I'll get back to you. All right, peace.